Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a link to another tab in a Power BI report using bookmarks. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create interactive navigation within your reports, making it much easier for users to jump between different pages and sections. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it launched and your report loaded, navigate to the bottom of your screen where you'll see all your report tabs. Go ahead and click on the tab you want to link to. This is the destination page that your bookmark will reference, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down options that appear, click on Bookmarks. This will open up the Bookmarks panel on the right side of your screen, which is where you'll manage all your navigation points. The Bookmarks panel is essential for creating these interactive links between pages. In the Bookmarks panel, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to create a new bookmark. Power BI will automatically generate a bookmark name, but you'll want to rename it to something meaningful. For example, you can call it Page 2 or whatever makes sense for your report structure. This naming convention will help you keep track of your bookmarks, especially if you're working with multiple pages. Next, navigate back down to the bottom of your screen and click on another tab. This will be the page where you'll place the clickable element that takes users to your bookmarked page. You want to set this up on the page where users will start their navigation journey. Now head back up to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From here, you have several options. You can click Image if you want to use a custom image, or you can choose buttons or shapes depending on your design preference. Each of these elements can serve as your navigation trigger. Once you've added your chosen element, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll see the Format pane. Make sure you're on the Format options for your image or button. If you chose an image, you'll need to click on Style, then click Image, and then click Browse. This allows you to navigate to your folder and select the image you want to use as your clickable link. After you've selected your image, scroll down in the Format pane until you find the Action option. Toggle this on. This is the crucial step that transforms your static image or button into an interactive navigation element. Under the Action settings, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type. Click on it and select Bookmark from the options. This tells Power BI that clicking this element should navigate to a specific bookmark you've created. Right below that, you'll see another drop-down menu labeled Bookmark. Click on it and select Page 2 or whatever you named your bookmark earlier. This links your clickable element directly to the destination page. Now comes the test. To see if your link works without publishing the report, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the image or button you just created. If everything is set up correctly, it should navigate you directly to the bookmarked page. And that's it. You've successfully created an interactive link between tabs in your Power BI report using bookmarks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.